1 kilometre of racing to go. Cavendish has kind of been washed away here, not following his lead-out train at all into the turn, and it is on the front, still Alpecin de Koning. Laporte is there, looking out for Wout van Aert, who's on the wheel of Jasper Philipsen. They make this turn, wow, really leaning the bike over into that turn. And this is on the front, the lead-out train now of Jasper Philipsen. Can Philipsen finally win a stage in this year's Tour de France? His team have done an amazing job today. 4 hours and 19 minutes. Here goes Mathieu van der Poel. Philipsen is on the wheel, and Philipsen is kind of struggling to be on the wheel of van der Poel right now. Gaviria moves up. Mathieu van der Poel fires. Philipsen now goes. Can Jasper Philipsen now win a stage of the Tour this year? Jasper Philipsen, there's going to be no doubt. Philipsen takes the win he's been looking for. Jasper Philipsen has finally got off the mark.